Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
My child is sick with a cold and I wanted to consult you about his condition.
Doctor, hello, I'm here to help you. Tell me, how does your child feel?
Mother, my child suffers from nasal congestion and a constant runny nose. He also has a slight fever and feels generally weak.
Doctor, I understand, he seems to have caught a cold. Does he have any other symptoms such as a sore throat or cough?
Mother, yes, he has a sore throat and a slight cough as well.
Doctor, hello, how are you today?
Child, hello doctor, I don't feel very well. I think I have a cold.
Doctor, I'm sorry to hear that. Let me ask you some questions to better understand your condition. Do you have a sore throat?
Child, yes, a little. Sometimes my throat hurts.
Doctor, excellent. Do you suffer from a runny nose or nasal congestion?
Child, yes, I have a runny nose and sometimes it is difficult to breathe through it.
Doctor, thanks for the information. Do you feel pain in your head or eyes?
Child, yes, my head hurts a little and my eyes feel tired.
Doctor, I understand. It looks like you have caught a cold. Don't worry, this is common and we will help you heal. I will give you some tips and medications to help relieve your symptoms. First, stay comfortable and drink plenty of warm fluids such as tea and soup.
Child, thank you, doctor. Will I need medications?
Doctor, yes, I will prescribe some medications to help you relieve your symptoms. Take it as directed on the prescription. Don't forget to cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing to prevent transmission.
Child, thank you very much, doctor. I'll do it.
Doctor, thank you for the information. We can help you relieve its symptoms. It is very important that you make sure you keep him comfortable and warm. Have him drink plenty of warm liquids such as tea and soup. You can also use a humidifier in his room to relieve nasal congestion. Do you have any other questions?
Mother, thank you doctor. What about the medications? Does he need medication?
Doctor, he may need some medications to relieve the symptoms. I will write a prescription for antibiotics if there are signs of a bacterial infection, and also antibiotics for fever if the temperature is high. It is always best to consult a doctor before taking any medication. Do not hesitate to contact me if your symptoms increase or you have any additional questions.
Mother, thank you very much doctor. I will follow your advice and I hope my baby will feel better soon.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.